What is the name of the local Himachali drum?
Dhol.
Yes, dhol is the right answer. Which sweet made of milk is popular in Una?
Barfi.
Yes, burfi is the right answer. What is the main bus station in Unakal?
ISBT.
Yes, very